We are Rider and Rolling Thunder, and my mom thinks I'm someone important.
My name's Jake Freeman. I play guitar and pedal steel in this band.
Oh, and I play guitar and sing. And my name's Ryder. My mom thinks I'm important. Don't know if I clarified. Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
I'm Wade. I play drums.
I'm Other Jake. I play bass.
No, you.
Concerns, the sirs and the madams. Everybody wants to know you. Everybody wants to take your time. Everybody wants to show you how quick they can blow your mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like the record don't stop. A buffet of fancy free living, a harsh disappointment between the needle and the rock. You're either silently watching or making your mark. Everybody wants to know you. Everybody wants to take your time. Everybody wants to show you how quick they can blow your mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The old ways remain the same, though everything has changed. And if you want to be close to one another, you find that you're strange. Well, everybody wants to know you. Everybody wants to take your time. Everybody wants to show you how quick they can blow your mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do you want our nicknames too?
Sure, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. This is Pretty Boy Freeman. I don't have a nickname because Ryder's weird enough. This is Wade Dwayne, The Rock Johnson, Ronci. And this is Freddie Mag.
This really suit all of you so well.
When there's nowhere left to hunt and all my marbles are busted, I'm put on a silk suit, thread in my flesh and blood for a pinball queen and a week full of hard knock mornings. And when I'm running out of road, can't turn water to nothing. Get lost in the memories, camels and blue jeans, caught by the sunrise on the edge of an endless summer. All that I can say is I miss those days, 'cause they sure ain't come. must turn to tin. Depths of you sink to the locks of your pig, finding for kicks, looking for a gold heart, and eyes shining like diamonds. If I learned anything at all, I got some people to turn to when I'm going down. I'm looking around for a gold heart, and I shining like diamonds for a gold heart, and I shining like diamonds.
So first of all, I guess, like, how did you guys come together? Did you know each other before you got together for the band?
Well, Wade and Jake over here and I have known each other for years now, just playing in the Boise music scene, and finally decided we could get together and do something. It was like a senior project I was doing, and then it turned into a band. And I met Freeman here like a summer ago at an Andrew Combs show. Great artist, you should check out. Has some good music. But met him there and then hit it off and decided we should start playing together too, and brought him into our mortal fold. And now we're playing music all the time.
This song's called One Shot Man. I'm living in the means, laying down the traps. I play the in-betweens, well, I'm looking on my back. They call me the one shot, two shot, a three shot man. They call me the one shot, two shot, a three shot man. Yeah. And if I'm living a lie, well, I don't want the truth. I don't wanna be right, and I don't need no proof. If heaven's above me, good old hell below, there ain't no telling which way I go. They call me the one shot, two shot, a three shot man. They call me the one shot, two shot, a three shot man. Yeah. One beat in the daylight, but when shot, two shot, three shot man. They call me the one shot, two shot, three shot man. They call me the one shot, two shot, three shot man. They call me the one shot, two shot, three shot man.
So I know you guys just finished recording your first album in Alabama, right?
Yes, we did. Down in, well, I guess it's technically Sheffield, but it's Muscle Shoals, super historic studio, Cypress Moon Studios. It was the second Muscle Shoals sound, built in '78. About just wonderful time, good guys working there. How'd you feel about it, Wade?
That was excellent. I mean, both engineers were just fantastic. The vibe in there, like everybody talks about the word vibe in the studio, and you feel it down there. You know, you're just right next to the Tennessee River, and it's something else.
Hey, we're Ryder and Rolling Thunder. This song's called Changin'. I can carry that shuffle, lay down boogie too. Just a two-bit dancer. Not much I can do, but I've been changing, not going back. Gonna get me a big car, yes, a Cadillac. I sit the monkey in the passenger seat, 'cause now I got him off my back. Yeah, I've been changing, brother, call on me. Changing. Gonna clap when I'm happy, jump when I'm feeling fine, laughing at a devil's face when I lay down and die. 'Cause I've been changing, I got nothing to lose. Oh, walk with me in the sunshine, sing with me in the sand, holler at me if you need some help, 'cause now I got a helping hand. Yeah, I've been changing, well, brother, call on me. Changing. One more time.
Yeah, I mean, Rolling Stones have always been my favorite band.
Graham Parsons,
Yeah, Graham Parsons, Rolling Stones, Townes Van Zandt,
the Allman Brothers Band.
Allman Brothers, yeah. definitely. It's like a lot of old.
Did you say Leonard Skinner?
I did not say Leonard Skinner, but
Specifically, Give Me Back Your Bullets.
yeah, give me back my bullets. That's a great record. There's just so many. And what you've seen here today is really dipping your toe in the ocean of a lot of the different kinds of music we do. I think of this band as a review of American music.
Yeah, he also really likes the Pokemon theme song.
That no one ever was.
Oh, you guys should do a cover of that.
Are we gonna get copyright and struck for singing that much?
I don't know.
Disney doesn't own that, do they?
Hey, we're Ryder and Rolling Thunder, and this song is called Digging Ditches in Denver. Need a doctor to sign me something just to relax. You put my head in the noose, I'll put my ear to the tracks. I ain't asking for nothing, nothing's asking for me. Got nobody to love me, I ain't got nowhere to be. Yeah. Can't say nothing against me that I ain't said to myself. I'll lift a can to your cussing and raise a glass to your head. Digging ditches in Denver, 'cause I've been bitching in bars. It's a kicking adventure, just good for earning your scars. Yeah. Getting down to the airport and put my ass on a plane. They ain't taking my ticket, I'm running right down the drain. Digging ditches in Denver, 'cause I've been bitching in bars. It's a kicking adventure, just good for earning your scars.
We haven't worked out the details on it, but it'll
Gotcha.
be like a monthly kind of subscription deal that you get rough demos, exclusive tracks,
Shirtless pics.
shirtless pics.
Oh.
Well, I mean, if you just follow us on Instagram, you can see me cooking sometimes shirtless. So
Nothing spatters.
no bacon, nothing that gets too painful.
Hey, we're Ryder and Rolling Thunder, and this song is called Main Street Shuffle. Move your boots. Shaking what they got on the floor. Can you feel me? Holler, let me know where you're at. But I ain't taking hints from you two big mean eye cats. No, I
Be on the lookout for all the new tracks coming out here soon. Look out for a subscription service where you can get all kinds of exclusive deals, interviews, shirtless pics, tracks of our monthly calendar. Yeah, one every month.
We're not doing that.
Yeah. But yeah.
Like a new 12-month calendar every month.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It'll be a new one. But yeah, we're Ryder and Rolling Thunder signing out.
You guys.